Alright, let's make a super fluffy sponge cake that's perfect for all your healthy dessert dreams. We are starting with 4 eggs and 1/3 cup of sugar. That's about 70 grams. Go ahead and measure out a half a cup of flour for later, just 60 grams. Set it aside, don't worry, we'll get back to it. Now crank your mixer up to high speed and beat those eggs like you mean it. You want them fluffy, foamy, and doubled in size. It's like magic. Halfway through, drop in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract because flavor. Alright, time to bring that flour back. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder to it and sift it in small batches right into your egg cloud. Fold it gently, no pressure. Just don't deflate your eggs or the fluff gods will be disappointed. This is my 9-inch springform pan. I line it with parchment like this. No sticking here. Pour in the batter. Give it a little tap on the counter to pop any sneaky air bubbles. Bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And yes, your kitchen will smell amazing. Let it cool just a bit before you free it from the pan. Look at that golden top. So fluffy, so proud. Now, here's the fun part. This sponge cake is like the blank canvas of dessert. You can turn it into light, low-calorie treats like my coconut cake or even a piña colada cake. Both are amazing and the links are in the description. So there you go. You go to sponge cake base that's light, simple, and full of potential. Now go make something delicious.